Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to airdrop files from a Mac onto an iPhone. Here I have the Mac and here is the iPhone. They need to have Wi-Fi enabled, so it doesn't have to be the same Wi-Fi network connected, but it has to be enabled on both devices. And also Bluetooth needs to be enabled as well. Then click on the Mac, click on the control center, then AirDrop. And when you're sharing with a person that's in your contacts, you can set it to contacts only or with everyone, depends on who are you sharing it with. And on your Mac, slide from the right top corner down, then click on the networking center, and now click on AirDrop, and you can set it to contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. I'm gonna set it to everyone. And now to quickly airdrop a file, just choose a file you want to airdrop. Maybe first open the Finder, then go to AirDrop. Here you can find the iPhone you can airdrop with, and just choose a file and release it on the iPhone. Then on the iPhone, click on Accept. And now your file has been airdropped. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.